it was just a surreal moment being stood around this tree, holding hands, listening to the sounds that it was playing. So I really loved that moment. That's one of the strongest memories, I think, walking in and seeing that for the first time. And then from that, it's like a contagious feeling of wanting to show everybody.
It's lovely that you've given your time to come to my school, because often people overlook children with a visual impairment.
This is a lovely moment because you feel so connected.